Look, everyone's been sold the same lie for years. You need the right degrees, the right certificates, the perfect resume to even get close to real skill and real impact. It's a lie that's crushing the fire out of some of the smartest, most driven people out there. People who actually build, create, and change stuff. If you've ever been passed over, ignored, or dismissed because you don't have the right paper, you know exactly how brutal that feels. It's infuriating. It makes you want to scream at the system and the people who run it, because behind all those formal credentials, there's no magic. Often it's just a checkbox the system created to protect itself, not to discover the real rare talent. Here's the hard truth nobody tells you. Credentials don't equal skill. They never did. Sometimes they even block it. They turn genuine ability into a narrow gate that only a few lucky or privileged enough can pass through. And meanwhile, the real problem is that the world runs on an illusion of competence, not actual competence. So you've got highly qualified people who don't deliver and insanely talented people who get shut out. This kills innovation, it strangles progress, and worst of all, it kills careers before they even start. If this hits home, if your gut is twisting right now because you've been trapped in this exact system, here's what must happen. Stop chasing credentials as proof of worth. Stop fooling yourself and others by thinking a piece of paper makes you valuable. Instead, own your skill. Prove it so aggressively, so relentlessly that no one can deny it anymore. That means hunting down real, messy, hard, live work that stretches your abilities outside classes or titles. Don't play the system's game by their rules, because their rules serve comfort and safety, not excellence. Build a body of work that is undeniable. Public projects, open source, startups, side hustles with real customers, real failures, and real wins. Find forums where actual work matters more than a diploma and dive deep. Learn to sell yourself not by your pedigree, but by what you've accomplished, by what problems you solved yesterday, and what you are ready to tackle tomorrow. Join networks where merit is the currency. Surround yourself with people who judge by what you do, not what you say you've done in school. This is where real power comes from in today's world, a network that rewards the rare and fierce ability to create and deliver. And that network? It's not based on borders or status. It's made of individuals who transcend the old rules and have zero tolerance for fake signals. Lean into that friction, the frustration, the anger, the feeling of not fitting in. Use it as fuel to break the barriers instead of begging to be let through the gate. If the system doesn't recognize you, don't break yourself to fit it. Build your own system, build your own platform. Show the world what skill actually looks like through relentless work and by connecting with those who see through the noise. You have to stop waiting for permission. You don't need a degree, a fancy title, or someone's stamp to step up and lead. The only thing that matters is what you can do, the actual measurable impact you create. You have to own that truth and scream it loud enough through every project, every pitch, every deal, so the world has no choice but to listen. This isn't easy, it's brutal, and it demands sacrifices. But it's the only way to get past this mess of fake signals and false merit. So, go find ways to build that skill publicly. Stop hiding behind certificates. Start showing what you're really capable of. Connect with others who get it and who value you on what you build, not what's on your CV. This is how real meritocracy works. Not by pretending, but by proving yourself minute after minute, day after day, no matter what the gatekeepers say. If you're done playing by the old rules and ready to build the future, start now. No more waiting, no more excuses, no more hiding behind paper. The world belongs to those who show up and do the work nobody else can. That's where true skill lives, and that's where meritocracy begins. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.